Hi, my name is Viraj Tyagi. I'm the CEO of Eager Foundation. Eager Foundation has been working for the last 2 decades to leverage technology and its impact to ensure citizens get public services which are easy to access, transparent, and flexible. And these services can vary from services that citizens need from their cities, like paying their taxes, filing complaints, getting new water connection, to sanitation, to health, to public finance management. We do three things at Eager Foundation. One is we built what are called digital public infrastructure, which are software, open source software, large platforms that help governments, markets, and NGOs to work together to solve large societal problems. The platform is called DIGIT, which stands for Digital Infra for Governance and Inclusive Transformation. Second thing we do is we work with governments to increase their capacity to use DPIs to do large-scale digital transformation, which means we work with policymakers for them to understand how DPIs work. We work with frontline employees for training. We work with their technical employees for technical enablement, and essentially working with them to do large-scale national missions. Second thing we do is we work with market actors so that ecosystem can use Digit's abilities to run large-scale programs. So that includes things like training, enablement. We have more than 2,000 assets, documents, videos, and presentations that people can use to see how they can build on Digit. We also do almost 20,000 hours of training every year. Final thing we do is we work with people in the network on policy making, so that there are policies that exist which help governments and markets to work together to leverage DPIs. Today, we work in 6 countries. We have more than 300 million citizens who benefit from our work. More than $2 billion of revenues mobilized using our platform. More than 1 billion services have been delivered, and more than 2.3 billion vaccine certificates were issued using our DIVOC platform. What our kind of vision for next 10 years is that we want to work with low and middle income countries across the world to bring the possibilities that a digital public infrastructure can bring to solve societal problems at scale. So Digit is a open source digital public infra, DPI, with reusable building blocks and ready to use solution suite. So you can always imagine it like a set of registries, microservices, and open APIs that can be leveraged to build new solutions and provide trusted data. And the way Digit is built is the building blocks of Digit. Let's say we have 27 building blocks, from billing to notification to encryption to registries. Those building blocks can be combined in multiple manners to create new solutions and platforms. So one example of that is when COVID came and there was a pretty harsh lockdown in India. In 7 days, we could use Digit's building block to create a national solution, which was a COVID e-pass, so that people who want to deliver essential services can go out and deliver those services. So Digit is all about creating new possibilities, creating space for governments and the markets and the NGOs to collaborate and solve problems in a context. And essentially, with Digit, just technology alone is not enough. We also have a lot of enablement assets. We have something called Digit Academy, which provides toolkit and documentation. It provides trainings, videos, how-tos, a lot of documentation on how to build and deploy Digit, so that it's not just an open source platform, but it also provides tools and capacity for anybody to actually leverage Digit to solve their problems. So our dream is that more and more people come and use Digit to solve problems in their own context, and our role is to enable them and help them and catalyze them to use Digit. Thank you very much.